Ladakh has recently witnessed significant protests demanding greater political and administrative autonomy. The core issues revolve around the demand for protections under the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution and the aspiration for statehood. Since before the violence in Leh on Wednesday, protesters in Ladakh have been pressing the central government for protection under the 6th schedule and for statehood status. At least 4 protesters were reportedly killed in the recent clashes. But what is the 6th schedule? Well, the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution provides special administrative provisions for tribal areas in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. It empowers local communities to govern themselves through autonomous councils. Ladakh's youth demand similar protections under this schedule to safeguard their rights and culture. Moving on to the key provisions of the 6th schedule. Autonomous districts and councils. Tribal areas declared as autonomous districts can be divided further if multiple scheduled tribes reside there. Each autonomous district has a district council with up to 30 members. The governor nominates up to 4 members, the rest are elected by adult suffrage. Separate regional councils are also established for autonomous regions. Moving on to the powers of councils. District and regional councils have the authority to make laws and administer justice within their territories. They hold powers under the Civil Procedure Code and the Criminal Procedure Code for handling suits, cases and offences. The governor can dissolve these councils based on recommendations from a commission. Moving on to the constitutional flexibility, can the 6th schedule be amended? Well, you must know that the Parliament has the authority to amend the 6th schedule by adding, modifying or repealing its provisions through legislation. An amendment updates references to the schedule in the Constitution accordingly. Now, let's understand the historical context and Ladakh's union territory status. Ladakh was declared a union territory in 2019 after the bifurcation of Jammu and Kashmir. The UT status was a long-standing demand of Ladakh's people who felt ignored by the former Jammu and Kashmir state government for over 7 decades. Despite this, the demand for 6th schedule protections and statehood reflects ongoing aspirations for greater autonomy and safeguards. Therefore, upcoming discussions between the centre and Ladakh representatives, which is set to be held on October 6, will be crucial in addressing these concerns and ensuring peace and stability in the region. Were you aware of this information or not? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.